Hi everyone, it's Stephanie here, and today I'm not doing a topper review, although right now I am wearing the UniWigs Aura Upgrade Topper in truffle brown, and it's 14 inches. But rather, instead of a topper review, I wanted to go over another one of the therapies that I have started for my androgenetic alopecia. Before you saw my video that was going over me taking spironolactone, my doctor told me that for me, realistically, and the level of hair loss that I have, so let's just take this topper off so that you can see, that one therapy is not going to be enough. So I'm going to be trying 3, and this is the second. This is the second, which is a laser cap. So I got, the brand is called IRestore. And the device model is the professional. They have the essential, then the professional, and then the elite. So how this works is it's red light therapy and lasers, and it's 282 iods, I think they call them, that are inside the cap. And these pulse with this red light on your scalp. And it's supposed to help to get blood flowing and just to get things moving, to activate follicles a lot better. And it doesn't matter how you style your hair, it's able to get the red light all around this area here. So what I love about this device, I've only been using it for a week now, and it is that it's really easy. I just put it on. You put it on like one day, then don't use it the next day, then put it on. You know, it's just alternating day by day. It's a very easy schedule to follow, as well as it's only 25 minutes that you need to be doing it at a time. So in terms of a time commitment, it's very easy. It's comfortable to put on, and it has just a little device to turn it on. And then you can see it's 25 minutes, and you just press start, and then it starts pulsing on. There is no pain, no side effects. There has been no negative effects. It's just very easy to wear. I wear it and I watch. Like I'll usually just, before I go to bed at night, I'll watch something on my computer in bed or read. It's very, very simple to use. And what I love is that if I get interrupted and I have to go and pick my baby up out of the crib, all that I have to do is just press pause and put it back on when I'm ready again. And it's not like you have to be like, oh, well, how many minutes did I have? And let's figure that out. It does it all for you. Once you hit 25 minutes, it just beeps and it turns off. And if it does work, I guess I'll use it ongoing for years to come. I'm really hopeful about this, or I don't know if I'm hopeful about this device, but what I'm hopeful for is this device in conjunction with 2 other things that I'm trying. So the spironolactone and one other therapy that I will be discussing in another video, is that I'm hoping that with a trifecta approach, that maybe there will be some hope and some hair gain, because even a little would mean a lot to me. If I could just get a little bit of coverage around this area, I would be overjoyed. I'll probably always still wear hair toppers, but it would be great just for my own personal sense, if I could just see hair growing all in this area and not see scalp anymore. That would be a huge success for me. Till next time, thanks. Bye.